we are going to look at a topic called changing of solitary formula. And in this case, you can see there I have two questions on the board, and it's going to be very easy if you put your mind here. So the first question says that make S is subject to the formula, and this is the relationship given. The equation is comprised of what P, Y, and X, but we are asked to find what X. Make S is subject to the formula. That is the first question. And for question B, we have find S when P is equal to 33, and what Y is equal to 1. That is the first question we're going to look at today. And after that, we move to what question 2. Now, you're going to start solving the question by writing the word relationship given to it, which is solution. So we have P is equal to Y squared plus 1 whole over 2S cubed. So we are looking for what? X. And we have to look at the forces around X. If you look at it, something is attached to what? S, which is Y is attached to S. And there is 1 over again. So we have to be removing it one after the other. So now, the first thing you should do is that you have to take away this what? This Y square. You take it to the other side. And as you can see, there's no sign at the back of this Y square, which means it's plus. If you take it to the other side, change to what? Minus. That's the first thing you have to do. Which means you have P minus Y square is equal to 1 whole over 2S cubed. As you can see, now remove one force now. And the next thing is, we have to make this equation in such a way to be linear. How can it be linear? One on the right hand side is what? Is fraction, but this one is not yet a fraction. If after you divide it by 1, it will become what? Fraction. Then the next thing is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Then if you cross multiply, we have this will multiply this, which is 2S cubed, and it's multiplying two variables, P and what? Y, which we have to open bracket. P minus Y square is equal to 1 times 1, we have 1. Then the next thing is to what? Expand the bracket. If you expand the bracket, you have two, sorry, you cannot expand the bracket, because if you expand the bracket, you make the equation to be what? Difficult again, because S is already out here. So, what is the equivalent of S here is 2 open bracket P minus Y square. 2 open bracket P minus Y square. We have to divide both sides by what? 2 open bracket P minus Y square. 2 open bracket P minus Y square. So this will eliminate this. This will eliminate this. So which means we are going to have S raised to power 3 is equal to 1 all over 2 open bracket P minus Y square close bracket. Then, since that we are looking for what? S, and this is S cube, we are not looking for S cube. We have S cube. So for us to remove the cube, you have to take the cube root of both sides. Take the cube root of both sides. Take the cube root of both sides. So if you take the cube root of both sides, we are going to have S cube. S cube is equal to 1 all over 2 open bracket P minus Y square. Then you take the cube root of both sides. This is cube root. This is what? Cube root. This becomes with this. You have X. It's equal to cube root of 1 all over 2 open bracket P minus Y square. This is the first question. We have done with the first question. This one, question A. Now make S the subject of the formula. Then B, find S when P is equal to 33 and what? Y is equal to 1. The next thing you should do is that, already we have S with this. All we need to do, we have to substitute the, whenever you see P, we put 33. Whenever we see Y, we put 1. We now say 1B, we have to rewrite this again. S is equal to cube root of 1 all over 2 open bracket P minus Y square. So P is given as 33. P is equal to 33 and Y is equal to 1. So anywhere we see P, we put 33. Anywhere we see Y, we put what? 1. We now have, we are following this equation. S equals to cube root of 1 all over 2, open bracket, what is P? P is 33. 33 minus Y is what? 1 square, which is equal to cube root of 1 all over 2. We have 33, right? Minus 1 square, which is 1 times 1, which is what? 1. We have S is equals to cube root of 1 all over 2 times, because bracket is multiplication. 33 minus 1 is 32. That is 32, which is cube root of 1 all over 2 times 32 is what? 64. Which means that we were able to take the cube root of 1 and also the cube root of what? 64. And we know that what? Cube root of 1 is 1 times, number we can multiply into 3 times to have a 1, which is 1 times 1 times 1 into 1 into 3 places. And the number we can multiply 3 times to have 64, let's try it. 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Then 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Then times 4, 16 times 4 is what? 64. Which means that the cube root of 64 is now 4. Which means that we have S is equal to the cube root of 1 is 1 and the cube root of 64 is 4. Which means S is equal to 1 over 4. Then, which means that the value of S is 1 over 4. Then, we have to move to the second question. I'll pause for now and come back. Welcome back. So, we're going to move to the next question, which is number 2. Make P is subject to the formula Y is equal to A plus P over A minus P. So, in this case, we are going to make P is the formula, and Y is related to A and what? P, and what we are looking for. In this case, this one is very easy because there's no square root, there's no cube root, and so on. This one is very, very easy. So, number 2, we have relationship between Y, P, and A is given as Y is equal to A plus P all over A minus P. So, we are looking for P, and P is attached to A, and P is also attached to A here. So, what you're going to do is that you have to find a way in such a way that we remove P out of it. That is it. Which means the step we are going to use to solve this question is very, very small. So we are not going to go further like the first question we solved. So now, here we have this is fraction, this is not fraction. What we are going to do, we have to make it way such a way that this one will be fraction by dividing it by what? 1. Then cross multiply. If I cross multiply, we are going to have Y times this, which is Y, open bracket, A minus B is equals to 1 times, all they go very clear, we have what? A plus P. So we are looking for P, and P is at both sides. See P here, the P is at the left hand side, the P is also at the what? Right hand side. We have to what? Expand the bracket so that everything will be what? Linear. So we have A times Y, we have AY, minus Y times P, we have PY, is equal to A plus P. The next thing is that we have to collect the right hand because P is still at the both sides. We have to make it such a way that one P will be at one side and the other variable will be at the other side. So now, if you look at it, this is AY, there's no P here. But this is what? Y, there's P here, but it's carrying negative here. It's minus PY, but it's carrying positive. We have to make it very easy by leaving this one that have P and take the one that have negative to the other side. So here we have AY, and this is AY, this is A, because this one have A, this one also have A. So this is plus A, take it to the other side, have minus A. It's equals to, after using this and this, what is remaining is minus PY and P. And after the equality sign, after I've used this A, the next variable here is P. So this is minus PY, take it to the other side, we have a plus PY. Now, if you look at this side, what is common? A is common. A is common. If I remove A out, I'll have I'll have Y minus, I'll take away all this A from here, and which number can 1 multiply to have A is 1, which is 1, because A times 1 we still have AY, minus A times 1 we have A, which is equal to, what is common here is also what? P, open bracket, and which number can I multiply to P to have the same P, which is still what? 1, plus P, I already used P out, remain what? Y. So we are looking for what? P, we have to divide both sides by 15 of what? P, which is what? Divide both sides by y plus 1 or 1 plus y, 1 plus y, 1 plus y. This cancels this. We now have p is equals to a, open bracket, y minus 1 all over y plus 1. This is the final answer for the second question. Please do well to subscribe to this channel.